Hey everybody, it's Troy. I have a project here where the speaker is talking about the 4 different departments that she works with and that she really appreciates and admires each of these departments. To do that, I used something called a Lottie file. Let me show you how to get it in, how to animate it, how to modify it if necessary. Go to lottiefiles.com. You'll probably want to create an account. It doesn't cost anything. Do a search and you'll find a variety of different animations. Choose the one that you're interested in. I think for this one I'll take this. Then to download this file, I go to edit the layer colors, and over here down in the bottom there is an option to export as a JSON file. It gives it a long name. In Finder or in Windows Explorer, you should be able to give it a different name if you want. I'm just going to call this one Hearts. Okay. Then over in Camtasia, go to the plus sign over here, import media, and it's called Hearts. I hit import. And there it is. And now it's tricky, but this is why I'm showing it to you. The fact that it comes in white like that, I'm not sure why that is, really. But that's okay, because we can figure out how to work around it. There are in Camtasia things called visual effects, and I can grab my color tint and layer it on top of that. Right now, let's say I want to make it a little bit more dark red. Okay, and then I'm going to make it a little bit more intense, so I can just layer it on. Now the other thing I did on here was I created an animation. So let's first figure out where I want this thing to start. The animation right now seems to be starting in the middle of the video. I'm going to have it start over here and maybe about like there, and so that's good. And then I'm going to hit Shift A to create a custom animation, and I'll drag it out. And then when I get to the end of the animation, this turns red, which is fine. And I'm simply going to hold down the Shift key, and now I'm going to drag this across over here. So we get a...
Been working hard to keep up with customer and employee requests.
There we go. That's it. Thanks for watching, folks.